Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a circle and picot lace. This lace is made with circles and picots and it is worked in the lengthwise. For this particular small motif I used my hobby store Aran 100% premium acrylic anti-pill 5-ply yarn and I used my 5.5 mm clover crochet hook to make the first foundation chains, and 4.5 mm to work the entire pattern. And these are the other tools that I used when I made this. These are the most necessary basic essentials for any crochet work. Okay, let's go into the video without any delay. Chain multiples of 5 plus 1. So let me chain multiples of 5 plus 1 and get back to you. I have made 6 multiples of 5 and one more chain. Now I am switching the hook to smaller size, one size smaller. Place a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Skip the next chain and place 5 half double crochet all in the same chain. Doesn't matter if the loop is becoming bigger because you're going to come on the other side and place the rest of the stitches for this loop. Now skip the next chain and place one single crochet each on each of the next two chains. Again place 5 half doubles in the next chain. So 5 half doubles, skip, single crochet, 5 half doubles, skip one chain, single crochet in each of next two chains, 5 half double crochet. Repeat the stitch sequence all through till you are left with last two chains. At the end of this repeat, skip the next and place one single crochet, chain one and one single crochet in the last chain. Now skip the next chain. You have to work on the other side. We're not turning, we're working on the other side. So skip the chain before this last chain that we worked and place 5 half double crochets in the next chain. The chain where we worked 5 half double crochets on the other side. Rest of the pattern the same as we did on the other side. Skip one single crochet in each of the next two. And 5 half doubles in this loop. So continue the pattern all through. So we've come to the end of the actual first row. We began here, we went around and came back here. Now make a single crochet in the first skipped stitch or the chain, and in the last chain make a slip stitch. Slip stitch to the first SC. We did an SC here, so slip stitch to the first single crochet here. Now we are not turning back and working here, but we are going to work on the other side because this is what is the right side. The circle which we have formed is the right side, so we are going to work front and back in rows on this side. Okay. For row 2, slip stitch to each of the next 3 double crochets, sorry, 3 HDCs. Oh, sorry, I'm going into the seam. That is, we are bringing the yarn to the centermost half double. Chain 1 and make a single crochet in the same stitch. Chain 7, single crochet in the third half double of the next circle or the shell. Again chain 7, single crochet in the third HTC of the next group. Continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end of this row. I place my last single crochet in the last group. Now skip the next half double crochet and place a half double crochet in the HTC, the first HTC here. Now for row 3, turn and chain 7. This chain 7 is counted as HTC and chain 5. Now 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet in the fourth of the 7 chains, fourth chain of the 7 chains. So 1, 2, 3, and in the fourth we can work in the back pump. It doesn't make a, it will give a better finish. Yeah, picking up maybe a little dicey, but doesn't matter. Yeah. Chain 2 and again 1 single crochet in the same chain. Now chain 5, again single crochet, chain 2, single crochet in the fourth chain of the chain 7 loop. You have to work into the chain and not over the or inside the chain, inside the loop made. At the end of the row, having chain 5, place 1 half double crochet in the last HDC. Placing a half double crochet. Now chain 5. One single crochet in the third chain of chain 5. We are working into the chain. Now chain 7. Single crochet in the third chain. So chain 7, single crochet in the third chain of chain 5 loop. Continue all through. I shall meet you at the end of this row. Come to the end of the row here. Now skip the next chain and place 1 half double crochet in the following chain and fasten off. So this is how this lace develops into circles and picot lace. It is, as we had discussed earlier, the beginning, we complete the circles in the picot lace, and this can be worked over any fabric that you like, and as edgings to your other crochet projects too, or knitted projects too, and so on and so forth. Sky is the limit for your imagination. So hope you liked this small effort of ours, and if you happen to be the first time viewer for our channel, please do subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos we upload every other day. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.